Hey guys, it's me Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing this colorful green to blue look with a neutral lip. So if you would like to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. I'm only using really one palette. I use a little thing from here, but you can get this color from almost any palette. It's just a neutral color to set your concealer. You can use white, you can use yellow, or your skin tone color for that, so you don't really need to use that particular one because this one that I'm using right here, it doesn't have a name and doesn't have a company in the back of it, of course. I got sent this from a BoxyCharm a while back, like a couple years back, and it just didn't come with the name, so I don't know what it's called. I just know I need to use it up, so I am using a BH Cosmetics palette. They are very affordable. So if you like to see how to get this look, this very colorful look. So it's very pigmented and very easy to use and very affordable, and I hope that you like to watch and follow me. To prime my eye, I'm using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. I'm bringing it up from my eyelid to my brow bone. From a random palette, I'm using a yellowish shade. This is closer to my undertone skin color and will set my concealer. I will put it on with a fluffy brush all over my eyelid and brow bone. The palette I'm using throughout the entire video. I'm using BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes 2 palette in 28 colors. I'm starting off with the green shade, and look how pigmented it is. I am very surprised by the pigmentation. I am bringing this shade from the front of my eye towards the middle. Taking the middle blue shade, I am placing this on the center of my eyelid and patting it towards the end of my eye. Now taking the darker blue shade, I am packing this at the end of my eye, patting it into the middle blue to help blend the two colors together. Going back to the green, I am blending this out at the front of my bottom lid, pulling it towards the center. Doing the same with the middle shade, I am blending this out at the center of my lower lid and pulling it towards the end. Going back to the darker blue shade, I am blending this out on the end of my lower lid and bringing it around the end to the top to connect the two shades. Taking a pearl white shade, I am placing it around the tear duct and blending it on my brow bone. Taking the black shade and a thin angled brush, I'm going to line my upper lid. Now taking a small fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the edges and sharp lines of the shades. For falsies, I'm using my favorite by Kiss lashes called Page Boy. I didn't do a very good job gluing the lashes on, as you can see in the intro, so make sure your glue is tacky before placing the lashes on, otherwise they can come off on the edges. To line my inner lower lid, I am using NYX's retractable eyeliner in white. I think that's what you call it, the inner lower lid. I am not sure what you call it. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. For the lips, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Pure Hollywood. And that's how you get this look. I told you it was simple to follow. And it is from mostly one palette, as I had said before. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more makeup videos, just keep on watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.